Hello students, how are you? Our today's subject is English grammar and today we are going to learn vowels and consonants. In English alphabet there are total 26 alphabet. From that 5 are vowels A, E, I, O, U and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are the consonants. Total number of consonants 21 are there. 21 consonants are there in English and 5 vowels. So 21 plus 5 is equal to 26 alphabets are there. Today we are going to learn how to write or how to complete a word using vowels and consonants both. So A, E, I, O, U are 5 vowels. So question number 1, circle the vowels in the following words. What we have to do? We have to read a spelling first and then we have to understand it and then we are going to circle a vowel. So first word is B-O-Y. From this, B is a consonant, O is vowel and Y is consonant. So we are going to circle O. O is vowel. H-A-T, hat. H and T are consonants and A is vowel. See this. H-E-N, hen. H and N are consonants and E is vowel. See this. H-E-N. So we have circled O, A and E. Next, G-L-A-S-S, glass. So G, L and S are the consonants and A is a vowel. So we are going to circle A. C-L-O-C-K, clock. In this, C-L, C-K are the consonants and O is a vowel. So we are going to circle it. T-A-B-L-E, table. In this, T, B and L are the consonants and A and E are the vowels. So we are going to circle A and E. Okay. Next, C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. In this spelling, U, O and A are the vowels. C, P, B, R and D are the consonants. So we have circled U, O and A. Next, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So P and C and L are the consonants and E and I is a vowel. So we have circled E and I. T-E-A-T, T means chaha. C-U-P, cup. Tea cup. In this, T, C and P are the consonants and E, A and U are the vowels. Okay. Next. Now I am going to say the sounds. A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D, E sounds E, F sounds F, G sounds G, H sounds H, I sounds I, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds M, N sounds N, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds V sounds V, W sounds V, X sounds X, Y sounds Y and Z sounds Z. Okay. Now next question. Complete each of these words using vowels. In this question, we are going to use the vowels. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels which we are going to use to complete the spelling. I have already sent you one video of this and a photograph of the picture. Now I am going to teach you on my notebook itself. APPLE. The spelling of apple in this A and E are the vowels. So we have added A and E in the spelling of apple. And owl, OWL, owl. In this O. ICECREAM, ice cream. E and A are the vowels. Next, EGG, egg. So I have completed the spelling of egg in E vowel. Okay, so EGG, egg. Then ENGINE, engine. In this E, I and E, engine. In this spelling, I have used E and I and E vowel to complete this spelling. ORANGE, orange. In this O, A and E are the vowels. Okay. Now, next question. Complete the following words using consonants. Now, which are the consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. From these, we are going to complete this spelling. So, GIRL, girl. In the spelling of girl, G, R, and L are the consonants. FRUITS, fruits. In this, F, R, T, and S are the consonants. SHOES. In this, S, H, and S are the consonants. ZEBRA, zebra. In this, Z, B, and R are the consonants. MANGO, mango. In this, M, N, and G are the consonants. PARROT, parrot. In this, P, R, and T are the consonants. Okay, I have written vowels and consonants separately and a number of it. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 21 consonants are there. So 21 plus 5 is equal to 26 alphabets are there. Now I will explain it to you in Marathi only one word. Vowels म्हणजे स्वर आणि कॉन्सोनंट्स म्हणजे व्यंजन. मराठीमध्ये त्याला स्वर आणि व्यंजन असं म्हणतात. ओके, थँक्यू, बाय, हॅव अ नाईस डे.